Alrighty, so I'm no stranger to both performance dress shirts and made-to-measure clothing, but to finally have both made-to-measure performance dress shirts, my prayers have been answered. Now, I don't know if it was just me, but I noticed for some time now that performance wear is on the rise, and there has not been, any made-to-measure companies utilizing performance stretch fabric until I found Woodies clothing. Well, technically they found me by reaching out to me asking if I were interested in trying out their reinvented performance shirt that would be custom made for me. And I of course had to accept, and today I'm gonna go over the whole process and give you my thoughts on this reinvented performance shirt. Let's get started. Now, without going too in depth about my issues with performance shirts, one thing that I did not like about most brands that offered them is that the collar was always a button-down style collar or a straightaway collar. And another issue was how some shirts are just flimsy and don't look like dress shirts due to the shininess of the fabric. And yeah, those are just a few issues on my mind when I was creating my first dress shirt with Woodies clothing. Now, when creating my dress shirt, I let the shirt sizing algorithm determine my measurements based off a few questions. I also could have done the tape measurements, but I decided not to for the sake of this video review. I also want to show you guys the outcome if you were to go with their fit algorithm instead. Alrighty, so once you got that done, you're ready to choose the options you want. I was so happy that I can finally get a cutaway collar on a performance dress shirt, even add French cuffs if I wanted to, but for my first shirt, I decided just to keep it simple and something I could just wear tucked in and tucked out. After about a week and a half or so, I got my order, and I have to say that I am very impressed in not only the fit but the quality of this performance shirt. One notable thing is that the shirt doesn't have that performance sheen like most shirts do. It looks like I'm wearing a denim or chambray shirt, and that's like the purpose of wearing a performance shirt, having it look like a dress shirt while being comfortable as wearing activewear. Another thing I noticed is how light the fabric is, but also how well it drapes without any flimsiness going down, as well as the placket. You see that, and the collar, it's sturdier than most performance dress shirts that I own. Just look at it on the mannequin. There is no collar stay, no nothing, no $1 million collar. I'm a big fan of $1 million collar, but I don't need it for this shirt. And it's super light. I don't know how they did it, and it's super light, just thin. Freaking amazing, bro. Now the fit of this is pretty much almost perfect, but if I were to make any adjustments, it would be a 1/4 inch off the sleeves, add another 1/4 inch to the shoulders, and maybe add another 1/4 inch to the neck if I were to wear a tie. But for my first shirt, I'm very happy with this. Now, I definitely need like a week's worth of these shirts because Florida weather is no joke, and to have these shirts that are comfortable as activewear, wicks away sweat, and are stain proof will become a staple for me, really. Now, the shirts are currently a Kickstarter project and will eventually be moved to their website for purchase. So if you want an early bird deal, I'll link you down to the description on their Kickstarter page so you can get more info about the shirts. They did extensive testing on these shirts by having guys go on hikes with these on and stuff. It's crazy. I mean, I personally wouldn't do that kind of stuff wearing this, but knowing that I have that reassurance of the shirt being durable, I mean, it's pretty damn cool if you ask me. But yeah, guys, that's a quick little review on Woodies clothing. Have you guys heard of it? Let me know in the comments below. I never heard of Woodies clothing before. If it wasn't for them reaching out to me, I probably would have never discovered this, man. So thank you so much to Woodies clothing for reaching out, and thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.